In case you were wondering what cars are usually driven by the younger generation of oil money, we offer you a lineup of automobiles that serves as a probable example. The Bavarian tuner Mansory takes the most exclusive vehicles and further upgrades them to the bonkers ultra-rich standards. Today we're taking a look at their latest 2021 projects that go far beyond adding some plastic cladding. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News to get access to the most informative car lineup reviews on YouTube. Let's start the engines. Mansory Le MANSORY. Turning 30 is a big deal for any company, so Mansory continues to celebrate its anniversary with this complete conversion package for the current generation Ford GT. It is limited to just 3 copies, one for each decade that the brand has been on the market. The model gets the exclusive blue race paint job complemented with white blue Alcantara interior. It also features a 2 inches wider full carbon fiber body, reworked aerodynamic kit, and custom 21 inches forged wheels. Special attention is given to the front end, where the original GT's stacked headlights are replaced with the redesigned side-by-side exposed LED units. Lastly, Mansory revised the original 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 to deliver 700 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of torque, and the top speed of 220 miles per hour. Mansory Porsche Cayenne Coupe. Offered for the entire third-generation Cayenne roster, this conversion package includes a carbon fiber body kit, new wheels, and if you're a lucky owner of the Cayenne Turbo model, some raw power. In comparison with the typical Mansory kits, the Cayenne gets only a minor exterior treatment, as only the bonnet's front splitter, rear spoiler, and the diffuser are carbon-made. The sport appearance is further boosted with a set of 23-inch wheels wrapped in Continental Sport Contact 6 tires. In case of the turbo, Mansory regarded the 550 horsepower output of the twin-turbo V8 engine unacceptable. So to unlock its true potential, the 4-liter was treated with reworked exhaust and software remapping, and it now delivers 700 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. Smash the like button to support our channel and consider reviewing other 2021 car lineups by following the links in the description and info cards. Let's proceed. Mansory Stallone GTS. While the Ferrari 812 GTS is unique due to its V12 naturally aspirated engine and lightning-fast performance, nothing in the car's appearance really speaks about this potential. This is rectified by Mansory, who turns the model into its extroverted Stallone GTS build that screams track readiness. The car wears a carbon fiber bodywork kit with a massive rear wing, gilt fender vent, and blue-color accents. As usual, the stock wheels are replaced for the brand's ultralight one-piece forged units that here measure 21 and 22 inches. The 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 is untouched, though Mansory claims a power bump to 830 horses thanks to a new, less restrictive exhaust. The interior of the car is wrapped in blue leather with white accents and carbon fiber trim, though customers can customize it as they wish. Mansory Venetis Evo. Without a doubt, the Venetis conversion for the Lamborghini Urus is the most striking piece of automotive art by the Bavarian tuner, and at the same time, it is one of the most popular performance SUVs for the ultra-rich of Dubai. The Venetis Evo wide body kit introduces a bunch of carbon parts in stealth carbon design, including a large spoiler in the rear and a peculiar triple exhaust. Another highlight is the 24-inch CV7 air wheels with 7-spoke design, painted black. At the heart of the vehicle is a V8 twin-turbo with P810 engine upgrade that increases the horsepower yield to 820 and torque to 734 pound-feet. The final 200 miles per hour on the speedometer makes it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. The interior of the Venetis Evo is finished in line with the exterior design, with the finest leather and Alcantara, color-matching accents, individually embroidered floor mats, and carbon inserts. Mansory Zero Coal. If you're tired of luxury vehicles and supercars are just not your style, Mansory is ready to impress you with their one-of-a-kind, off-road-ready side-by-side based on the latest Can-Am Maverick X3. Labeled the Zero Coal, it keeps the original silhouette but acquires new car-like doors, updated windscreen, and an extended front with 2 additional LED headlights mounted on the roof. The buggy comes clad in carbon fiber and is painted in exclusive orange colors. In its most powerful stock iteration, 900cc Rotax engine can already produce 195 ponies, but here it is charged to 225 thanks to a modified engine management system. Paired with a CVT and Visco clutch, it can send power to the rear, or when needed, all 4 wheels, to ensure maximum traction. Mansory Bentley Flying Spur. With the new generation Flying Spur moving up the ladder to occupy the position of the Bentley's flagship, Mansory rushes to offer their own version of the luxury sedan. The complete conversion goes for a meter look and feel, highlighted with a deep black paintwork, 10x22 BY5 wheels, and dark carbon bodywork elements. In turn, the engineers department was busy beefing up the 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12. It received a power upgrade, modified ECU unit, and a high-performance exhaust, resulting in 710 horsepower and 738 pound-feet. The new speed heights for the Mansory Flying Spur are 3.6 seconds 0 to 60 and 212.5 miles per hour. Inside the cabin, we can find a new leather carbon sports steering wheel, an aluminum sports pedal set, dark carbon inserts, and innovative leather inserts with 3D embossing. Mansory Audi RSQ8. The new RSQ8 has already been tuned by several workshops, and Mansory could not waste a chance to challenge them. As expected from the Germans, the conversion starts with a generous carbon fiber kit that includes a modified bonnet, new front and side skirts, and bigger fender flares. To complement the aggressive deep black paint finish with red decorative stripes, a large SUV is fitted with custom 24-inch wheels. Surely, Mansory engineers note that the standard Audi RSQ8 hardly lacks power, but the brand's reputation required them to do a bit of magic with the 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Adding the in-house built high-performance exhaust system and a modified ECU unit raises the output to 768 horsepower, while the acceleration time to 60 is shortened to the supercar margin and claims to be 3.3 seconds. Mansory McLaren 720S. After 3 years in the market, the Mansory program for the McLaren 720S is still going strong. The shark-inspired supersport is receiving a broader arsenal of hunting tools in the form of Yevon forged wheels, front lip, rear diffuser, bonnet with carbon fiber elements, and a wing extension. Some extra horsepower and new exhaust provided the 4-liter V8 with twin electrically actuated twin-scroll turbochargers, with an opportunity to accelerate the coupe to 216 miles per hour, and the 0 to 60 time was reduced to 2.8 seconds. The lowering springs put the vehicle closer to the ground, while the special grain natural leather interior allows to experience McLaren sports nature in a new exciting way. How do you like the works by Mansory in 2021? What is the most striking tuning project from this lineup? Let's talk this over in the comments below. We would really appreciate a like from you, and consider subscribing to get alerted about the latest video releases. More episodes are suggested on the screen. See ya!